Welcome to your home sweet home. We are in Citrus Hills on the golf course. Beautiful community here, golfing community, and this is a fantastic home that I'm going to take you around, show you the house, talk about the features, but I want you to note that a lot of the furnishings you see are able to stay with this home. So it's a very turnkey where you can move right in, have the comforts of what you need to get situated and adjusted. So if you're making a distance move, you don't have to worry about all the logistics right off the bat. So an extra bonus to think about. First thing I want you to be noticing are these vaulted ceilings. And you're gonna notice that these vaulted ceilings flow throughout the house. We have beautiful wood floors.